Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
My baby mama, she don't know I'm rich. I hope the bitch fall down the steps when she hit me once pregnant. I hope the baby live, but the bitch that she die. I ain't paying for the funeral, no fish fry. Bitch, bye. I hate the way your pussy wet.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean's TV Eyes. You see, we back at it again with another video with the HELLCAT, you feel me? So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a POV where we're gonna be getting outside camera footage and the inside camera footage with the phone and the Insta360 mount. So I can give y'all boys, you feel me, both perspectives of me when I'm driving the car, you feel me? So before we get into the video, I'm gonna be showing y'all boys my Insta360 setup because y'all have been having questions and stuff on how to get it set up. So I'm finna show y'all. So the mount and stuff that I use for this system is the HELLCAT, D-E-L-K-I. Y'all see the, hopefully y'all can see it. It's the HELLCAT Fat Gecko mount. So this mount is on Amazon. It's about $80. And like I said, well, I ain't saying that, but this is the mount that I've been using and I've been having success with. I ain't had no problems with it, you know, falling off or, you know, doing anything weird, you feel me? So this is the mount that I recommend that y'all get, you feel me? I done been upwards of like 140 miles per hour. Didn't have no motherfucking problem, so you feel me? If it ain't broke, we ain't gonna fix it, no cap. As far as the selfie stick we got the, damn, what they call the Insta360 extended mount. So this mount right here gets like very long. Let me show y'all, boy. This is how long this mount actually get. Like, you could put this bit on the back of a semi truck and you feel me, you better get the whole like footage type shit. Like, this shit actually down there longer than my dick. It's like, nah, but look, like, this bit is very long. I ain't gonna lie, this bit so long that if somebody get behind you in traffic, they might smash into that whole, no cap. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, when I use it, I'm gonna show y'all boys how far I have it out. Hold on. When I use it, I have it out to probably about right there, you feel me? That's right about where you want to have it at, no cap. Last thing I want to show y'all that I do, which is for the audio quality. So my first time actually trying this on my last video, and I put these little foam like little pieces, you feel me, on the side of the microphone, and I put the microphone setting on stereo on the actual mount. So when I did this, the audio actually sounded a whole lot better now, you feel me? So I do recommend y'all do this. This is just a little cheap and easy fix to get y'all some extra audio quality without buying a mic, no cap. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the POV, no doubt. All right, y'all, we are now back in the whip, you feel me? We finna go ahead and get to this video because my camera, I forgot to charge the bit up, but you feel me, we still finna get that content rolling for y'all boys. Feel me, go ahead and put that bit in custom mode, cut the traction control off, and we finna cut the motherfucking heat off before we burn our ass up. And you feel me, now we can get them moving, no doubt. Hopefully y'all do enjoy that video. Car sounded good, you feel me, per usual. All right, let me slow my ass down before I go up off this hill and catch air. The car all the parts gonna fall off this bitch if I do that. No doubt. I gotta go ahead and pop my seatbelt on too. Feel me? We don't need y'all niggas clicking out the video because of the seatbelt thing. Damn, I almost pulled my ass out and got crushed. Let's see here. We're gonna bust this here a little right for y'all boys. Let me get y'all boys some little reels. Y'all fucking with it? I know y'all fucking with it, you feel me? Big HELLCAT for the win. Now we gotta win at this red light so it can turn green, no doubt. All right, come on, goddammit. These motherfuckers here acting like they don't want to motherfucking drive. The light been green, motherfucker. Damn, this shit ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. When I do be using this damn 360 camera, I be nervous as hell. I be thinking my junk gonna fly off, but I know it ain't. I hope at least. But I know them pops be sounding crazy on that camera. If y'all don't know how to make y'all car pop, you just gotta play with that pedal. You gotta, you feel me? You gotta finger that bitch a little bit to make that bitch, you know, skirt. You gotta make that bitch pop. You feel me? I don't got no tune. I do want a tune, and I'm thinking about doing a tune. I'm just waiting on me to, you feel me, get all my stuff out of the way first. My important stuff that I gotta do. And then I think your boy gonna go ahead and get tuned. So stay tuned. We gotta get over a little bit. I don't see no police out today though. That's a good sign. That means that we should not be getting bothered while making this video. You feel me? See, I miss my hood. This is where I grew up at, y'all. Midfield, Alabama. You feel me? This is where I spent most of my schooling. You feel me? And all that stuff growing up. You feel me? In Midfield. But you feel me? We had to move. You see, they got some new restaurants out this bitch. This bitch right here is called Jaws. Freak ass restaurant. On weak in hell. That bitch used to be a Burger King though. It's crazy how much stuff and changed, and I only been gone for goddamn like 6 months. They tryna, when I leave now, they wanna make new restaurants and shit. Hey now, nigga. Bro, I low-key got a mean ass headache too, bro. I'm trying to pull through. They got a clean little wide body scat. Yeah, don't look over here, nigga. I'll smack your motherfucking ass with this supercharger. Don't even roll your window down and speak, nigga. Alright, we gotta hurry up, beat that light. Cause this light right here got a camera on that hoe. That bitch will snap a picture of your motherfucking tag. Sound echoing off these buildings. There go a little C8. I beat the fuck out his old ass in that motherfucking C8. He wouldn't stand the motherfucking checks. He probably bought that bitch with his equity money off his house. That shit smart though. But he ain't using enough equity money to win the motherfucking race. Let's see what we gonna do. I'm not finna wait over here. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I would motherfucking wait. Bitch, I got 700 horsepower. Some of y'all say y'all like my commentary. Do y'all really like my commentary? I just be talking for real, for real. I was finna push it on this road, but last time I got a mean ass ticket on this road right before Thanksgiving. I'm talking about that nigga, bro. The nigga gave me a ticket, talk about, you know you was speeding. I was like, nah, I was trying to drop off some chitlins to my grandma. That nigga didn't give a fuck. That nigga wrote my ass a ticket fast as fuck. That nigga said, you did that because you was in the Hellcat. Here's your ticket. I was like, God damn, bro. These niggas don't got no heart out here. Niggas always hating on a nigga with a Hellcat. I don't know, they be hating because the supercharger whine better than a bitch or what? But these police be hating on a nigga, no cap. Shit crazy. Alright, let's see. I guess I'll bust this a little right. But my head is motherfucking whamming out this bitch, bro. I thought I heard police. Oh, a train coming? Oh, we gotta beat that bitch. We gotta beat that bitch. Hurry the fuck up. Hurry up. Okay, these motherfuckers playing. Bro, I was gonna beat the damn train, but these niggas didn't want to motherfucking move, bro. I'll turn the camera back on when this bullshit over with, bro. Alright, this bitch ass train is finally gone. You feel me? Damn, bro. Them nigga car probably finna cut off. That's why they ain't running. Nigga would've got their ass T-bone out that bitch. And I would've kept driving and kept motherfucking recording. On phone now. Now, which one of these niggas gonna let me over in this bitch? Don't block out the whole motherfucking road. With your popsicle neck ass. Fuck wrong with them folks. Looking at me crazy and shit. Bitch, I got places to be. Damn, these weak ass potholes, bro. Man, since that pothole week, I ain't stopping at this motherfucking stop sign. Why am I cussing so much? Something wrong with me, bro. No cap. Alright, this nigga right here is driving slower than a bit. The weak ass Impala. I know that nigga transmission slipping. Don't slip in front of me though, twin. Cause I'm gonna go right around your ass when your transmission go out. I'm probably finna go around his ass. When you go around niggas, that's how you show them they slow. Damn, that nigga going over that train track fast as hell. I know he don't care. This nigga behind me acting like he trying to hit me. Go on ahead. Look at these old niggas. Yeah, nigga, this a HELLCAT, old school ass nigga. This ain't no goddamn Cutlass. Nigga, this a HELLCAT, nigga. Get it right. Oh, I'm finna. Alright now. Nigga still driving slow. Don't nobody got time for all that, bro. Yeah, you better go. I already know where he going. He going to the projects. Damn, that nigga got that TRX truck. Okay, I can't mess with y'all for dig, but catch me on the freeway. It's raps. I can't talk nothing about him. I'll eventually catch his ass on the dig, though. That truck heavy as hell. That's a tank. And she got her motherfucking hand out the window like I won't hit that bitch. I'm sorry y'all for the commentary. I really don't even know what to talk about in this video. This video was random. Go too fast over these hills. I'm happy they fixed the roads though. But anywho, y'all, we finna go ahead and wrap up this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully y'all like the video. If y'all want to see more videos where I do this funny, crazy, retarded commentary, just let me know. You feel me? I'ma deliver. So, feel me? Make sure y'all do all that, and I'll see y'all boy next time. No doubt.